I'm Jagdeep Kaur here. I'm going to present today Intercontinent Hotel of Melbourne. Intercontinent Melbourne is a ultra luxury 5-star hotel suited on Collins Street. It has 253 rooms. Theoretical positions for Intercontinent Melbourne. Positions: it located on historic building. It makes it unique. Competitive advantage: customer will pay more experience its history even its other are cheaper. Strategic management literature and competitive advantage: the process that is a future focused, proactive, involving, and continuous and oriented towards a specific results. Competitive advantage: the that advantage by creating a better product or produce the same product in a better way. Disadvantage make competitive do not have. SWOT analysis: it's cover the strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats. Internal analysis of the current making activity of the business will uncover the strength and weakness. Internal analysis of the environment, market, customers, are competitor as they relate to the Australian will uncover the opportunities and threats. Strength: it covers the location, history, and heritage. Strong bond: Intercontinental is a strong brand that has strong luxury value. A brand is an intangible asset. There is a strength of the organization. Weakness: the lack of understanding pricing. The hotel room price varies as much 100% for the same day, the time because of the online website. Cheaper rate of the same hotel. It makes it less attractive for hotel guests seeking luxury and exclusive stay. Customer complain about the structure of the room. The brand is the intangible internal asset. It is a weakness because the noise and disturbance do not contact the luxury brand of the organization. Opportunity: growth in heritage tourism. Customer prefer to stay at the hotel that have a rich history and represent the something was staying at the brand hotels. Customer prefer and growth external factor that organization cannot control it, therefore it is a opportunity. Because of the current pandemic, price may decline, force may Arabic style accommodation apartments of the market, increasing future demand for the hotels. Threats: economic challenge. Due to the current lockdown, the economic is suffering and travel has been impacted as a hotel are losing revenue. Because pandemic it is outside the control of the organization, it is a threat. While hotels are often regulated, a change is a government attitude towards a hotel could be harmful, such as easy regulation of trading economic or issuing more hotel permitted in a CBT. Given regulation is not a controlled by one organization, it is a threat. Strategic issue: internal. Building was established in 1880s, which is positive, but the guest reports frequent disturbance due to the high noise volumes. The issue will be strategic because it hampered the product offered to the customer as a consumer. Aspect is stay the luxuries and interpreted. Such infrastructure is their experience directly indicative weaker product. The issue number 2: internal. Hotel room pricing is not a constant or standard. Because the luxury brand is an internal and valuable asset, this weakness could be occur the organization competitive advantage. Because of influence of online travel, the guest agents that have dramatic pricing, there is a huge variation between the price per room paid even during the single stay. And here are my some references which helped me to make my presentation. Hopefully you like my presentation first. Thank you.